Hi there, welcome to Giraffe Studio and thank you for watching this video. So in this video, I will be explaining about a design pattern called visitor pattern. To explain this design pattern, I have come up with the concept called a digital menu card. So the expectation of the system is it should be able to display the food items price in different currencies and the default currency is rupees. Also, in future, it may need to support other currencies as well. So, to implement the food item, I have defined the interface called iFoodItem, and this interface is having two member name get price. So, the food items should implement this iFoodItem interface. So, here dosa is a food item and it has implemented it, and the default price is 80 rupees. Similarly, idli is another food item and it has implemented a food item interface. The default price is 10 rupees and pongal is 50 rupees. Vada is 10 rupees. Okay. So as per the requirement, we have to print the price based on the choice of the currency at runtime. So in order to implement that, I have created iCurrency converter interface. So it will receive the price and then there is a dollar currency converter which implement the I currency converter and it converts the price into dollar. It divides by 80, some rough value here, as the default value is in rupees. Similarly, the rupee converter, it just receives the price and print as it is. So at runtime, if you see here, so it is actually the food list and it is having a different food items added to this list and it is initialized with the dollar currency converter. So the constructor here writes the food name and then it is printing the currency, the converted currency. And when we run this program, we get the result as given here. Now, if we want to display the currency in rupees, we have to change the object definition. So I will change it to currency converter. Similarly, for all the products. Now, if I run this application again, it prints the price in rupees. But what is the challenge here? So when we need to change the currency, it requires change in all the object creation areas, right? For all the products. So if the system supports thousands of food items, then this change should be done everywhere and it will be a challenge. How can we address this problem? So here comes the visitor pattern and it will help us to do the similar implementation in different way. And so let me revert this, remove this code. These are all not needed. So this interface is called iCurrency visitor and it will receive food item as parameter. So I have a dollar currency class and it is implementing iCurrency visitor. So it implements the method convert currency, and it is taking the food item name and price, and it is again doing the division by 80 to convert the price in rupees into dollar. Similarly, I have a rupee currency class, and it is also implementing a currency visitor. It converts the currency. So as the default values are in rupees, it just receives that price and display as it is. so so this is the visitor, and this visitor should be able to uh, visit these classes. Those are, I mean, these food items. So in order to make these products as visitable, I have created another interface, visitable, and it has the method accept, and it the parameter is I currency visitor. So the products should implement this I visitable and should have the respective implementation. So visitor dot convert currency this. So I have to do the implementation for all the products. So during the runtime, these food items can be initialized without this converter. We can try to print the price. So if the visitor should be dollar visitor, then we can initialize that here. For each I visitables in food list, and visitable dot accept the visitor. And with this change, if we run this program now, it prints the price of food items in dollar. And if we have to modify the currency, we can just make the change in single change. If we run the code again, it prints the price in rupees. So basically, what we have done is we have delegated the responsibility of converting the currency to a visitor, and it is based on interface, so that any conversion can be allowed at runtime, depends on the concrete implementation that we choose. And when there are multiple items involved, we no need to make the changes in each items. Instead, we can just make the change in the respective conversion area on demand. We let the respective product to accept these visitors to do the conversions. So this is the benefit of visitor pattern. Hope it helps. Thank you.